Good morning. It's Monday, November 9th. The election is finally over, and this week you're finishing up your muscle chapter, so that's why I'm starting here in the muscles. So you have your test on the 10th, which is Tuesday. Remember to fill out your things to know. That's your study guide for your final. There's a muscles Quizlet. You can look at the quiz show, and you have to mark these activities complete in order to make the test available to you. This week there was no worksheet for the muscle lab, but there was work and quizzes at Visible Body, and these are the muscles that you needed to memorize. This is an activity that you could do to memorize your muscles, and here is our muscle ID quiz. 20 muscles. You must identify the muscle, identify the action using joint words like abduction, adduction, dorsiflexion, extension, etc., and identify the body part that is moved. I need to correct this quiz, so the score you see at the end is not correct, so don't get panicky. And then you're going to move on to our first chapter of the nervous system. The rest of the term is on the nervous system. So we have chapters 11, 12, 13, and 15. We have 4 chapters left before the end of the term. So with the nervous system, you are going to learn the fundamentals of the PNS and the CNS, that is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. We'll be talking about a nerve impulse, which will be very similar to the action potential in the muscle. You've already learned about that. And I think you will probably enjoy this chapter. Here are some of the things you must be able to do at the end of this module. Label a neuron, describe the function of the nervous system, distinguish between the PNS and the CNS, identify the neuroglia, which are the support cells of the PNS and CNS, understand the classification and function of neurons, and describe the events of a nerve impulse. So, of course, there are narrated PowerPoints. This post will be open. A couple videos, things to know, Quizlet. And again, for the lab, at this lab link, when you go into Visible Body, there is no lab worksheet. There will be work to do in Visible Body. I hope you've realized how much that helps you with taking your tests, because it's all the same material. And there will be graded practice as well as graded quizzes in Visible Body. And that's all for this week. Please let me know if you have any issues. Now is the time to contact me. I wouldn't wait until the very end of the class. And as always, you can just drop into my office hours at 3:45. No appointments necessary. And if you can't make that time, let me know, and I will schedule you at a time that is more convenient for you. So I hope you have a great week, and good luck on your muscles.